Welcome back, BMI22.com. We're about to move into the most delicious portion of tonight's conversation, and I, for myself, couldn't be more excited because feeling a little bit under the weather. I'm actually about on 24 hours of fasting at this point, so I think I'm ready to break my fast at 6:30. Welcoming back Pritee, Santosh, and Girish. How you guys?
Good.
Fine.
What are we doing?
So this is Quinoa Khichadi. It's Indo-Western kind of a dish made with ingredients which are we got here, quinoa, and one is another main ingredient is green gram split without skin, and all this stuff, these Indian spices, herbs, and everything. So I already made it, but I can tell the recipe.
Yes, please.
Yeah. So this is ghee, clarified butter. We add it, and then we add some mustard seed, cumin, and all the spices, some chili powder, turmeric, which all is healthy. There are several benefits of all these herbs, and then we have onion, garlic, ginger, everything. So we add here. And
are these all going in when you begin to cook?
Yeah, when I start cooking, we need to heat up this ghee, and then you can make without oil or with olive oil or with coconut oil. But today I made it with ghee.
And ghee is a traditional ingredient of Indian cooking.
Yes.
And you said clarified butter. Will that be less or common of a flavor that we're used to of American traditional butter?
I can take that. It's pretty much close to olive oil, kind of. It doesn't have the flatness to it, but it has more flavorful flavorful. And ghee is casein free, so it has very less dairy protein to it. So pretty much I would say it's vegan, and it has lots of medicinal value too.
Yes.
Ayurveda suggests eating ghee 1 spoon a day, every day, like ghee. But really, it is considered as fat, but it's a good fat.
Right.
Yeah.
Like the coconut oil
You got
you
it.
mentioned
Yes,
earlier.
yes.
Olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil.
Is it ready? I'm hungry.
Yeah. You can see it. So I'll just open it. Yeah.
So yeah, this is the way the prescriptions lie. This is the doctor's office here for your home. Yeah.
Okay.
See, I would say BMI 22
Does it smell
started.
good?
Smells fantastic.
So BMI 22 started with Pritee. She fed me such a good food for 6 months. I put on so much weight. And
Yeah.
I'm like, no, we gotta go down.
Oh, that's great.
See, this is the texture, and it's ready.
Yeah, so you're seeing a really beautiful yellow color.
Yeah, that's
Here,
turmeric.
you can put it in this and.
There's some curry leaves, everything.
So that is also
Thank you. I'll
considered
treat you,
as a
though.
yogic food. The khichdi is a yogic food as well.
I see.
And the yogic food, because rice, we are not using it. We are using quinoa, because quinoa is a complete food. There are
All the essential amino acids.
essential amino acids are there in the quinoa. So quinoa is a really good food. There are some of the foods which are not there in India or in Ayurveda. Like we have availability of avocado, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Avocados are really good too. So we have to incorporate avocado, quinoa, steel cut oats, green vegetables, and there are some of the spices from India like turmeric, ginger, garlic. Those foods are so good. So
I'm
You can
starting
try
in.
it, yes.
let's see. I'm hungry too. Here we go. I'm gonna eat. I'm breaking my fast too.
I don't mean to describe quinoa as though people don't know about it. I mean, it's certainly, the health benefits of quinoa are becoming more and more known.
yeah.
Right.
Even here, and as you mentioned, a more nutritionally complete with a
All the essential amino acids. It's a complete protein.
Protein.
And quinoa is a seed. It's not a grain. And it's gluten free. And it's sold everywhere.
very important.
Plus
Yes.
this split green gram is also a lot of fiber and protein. So it's full of fiber and protein dish.
Fantastic.
How many times do you cook, Pritee?
Preparation time is like 2 to 3 minutes, and then cooking time is for 5 minutes. That's it. It's
Yeah,
a
I
quick
have to
dish.
tell you, Terry, she got this
Instant
technology
food.
gadget. I thought I was the gadget guy, but she got some gadgets in the kitchen. They're awesome.
We are making another dish, which is you can you can have it.
Of course. I'm just going to move out of the way so
Yeah.
that we
Yeah.
can get
So
a
this is
shot of this fantastic machine here.
so yeah, this is an air fryer.
Air
Fryer.
I
Yeah.
want to emphasize that because this is something that I really wasn't familiar with, but very important.
Yeah, it is because we like chips and crunchy things and
Yes.
Fries.
so fried things. So why not with air fryer? It's no oil, no fats. It's just fried with air, hot air.
There's a drip
So-
pan on the bottom, so all the oil leaks to the bottom. So essentially, there's no oil sitting on the actual food.
Yeah. So we are making this plantain chips, and then this is avocado and nuts and seeds chutney. So we are gonna mix it.
Yeah, I'll help you with that.
Okay.
Yeah, you can explain about
So-
the ingredients.
So we use avocado, cashew, almond, and some beans, and then I made this chutney with garlic and dry fruits and some chili powder, and you grind it. That's it. And then this is avocado paste. Mix it, and you can make it topping with it. And that's
Really nice.
yeah.
Nice dip.
That's what I do all day long. She tells me what to do, and I just do it, and just keep eating.
Perfect.
I get my BMI to 25, then work on 22.
Right. Some cultural traditions
So,
are
yeah.
right across the
Yeah.
entire
So this is
world.
one of my favorite. So I just explained Preeti one day when I was in Costa Rica. I had something similar, but it was made in the oil. So she figured it out how to make this. So plantain has a lot of good benefits. It's a fruit, and avocado has a lot of good benefits. And you put avocado and plantain, and then put some Indian spices, and also the nuts and the seeds. They have a lot of things. We usually don't eat all of this every day,
Yeah.
but if you are for Christmas and if you're having a dinner or family is over, this is the best way to eat healthy, right? You're
Yeah.
getting everything your body needs. There's no oil, because when we are really running low on time and families in town and for Christmas,
Absolutely.
what we do is we try to make frozen food and fries and everything. So better than that, this fryer takes 3 to 4 minutes.
Yeah.
Make the chips or anything. We made the potato chips the other day. They
Yeah.
were amazing. Now we have made a box of it.
Thank you.
You want to add some more chutney on it for flavor?
Can add some chutney here.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's amazing. I want to try too.
Yeah.
There is something to this
Yeah.
listening thing, because I feel like when you put this food into your mouth, you can tell, your body can tell that this is good for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So fantastic, and very quick, not time consuming at all, which is fantastic. Pritee,
Yeah.
thank you so much for the snacks. Thank you guys. BMI22.com. Make sure to go and check out the website. For one thing, it's absolutely beautiful, and my dear friends are so caring for their fellow man and woman, and I really appreciate to spend the time that I get to with you guys. It's always so much fun, and I wish you the happiest of holidays.
Thank you.
And
Thank
a
you so
healthy
much. Thank you
New
so much.
Year.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you so
healthy
much.
New Year.
Holidays.
Yeah.
And a healthy new
Everybody.
year.
Yeah.
Quick break. We'll be back with Che right after this. Stay tuned.